Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an amazing hair oil and shampoo for kids that promotes very fast hair growth. For the hair oil, take a cup of unrefined coconut oil in an iron kadai. Now add in a teaspoon of curry leaf powder. Add in a teaspoon of bringraj powder too. Finally, add in a teaspoon of neem powder. Now mix well with a spoon. We usually make this oil with fresh herbs, but I wanted to make it with herb powders, as fresh herbs may not be accessible to many of you. You can order all these herb powders easily online. Both bringraj and curry leaf promote hair growth, and neem prevents scalp infections and head lice. Once mixed well, boil this mixture on low to medium flame. Making hair oil with dried powders is different from making it with fresh herbs. Since there is no moisture, the powders tend to burn quickly, so always do it in low flame. With fresh herbs, we know the oil is done when the sizzling sound stops. With dried herb powders, we have to go by the smell. Once a nice smell wafts, switch off immediately. Now strain this mixture using a clean white cotton cloth. Squeeze well to strain out the oil completely. Now store this oil in a bottle and use regularly. This oil will last well for 5 to 6 months at room temperature. This oil has a nice smell and is very gentle to be used on kids above 3 years. For kids below 3 years, I would suggest using only pure virgin cold-pressed coconut oil. If you have access to fresh herbs, make the oil with them as it gives the best results. To use, massage this oil on the scalp, wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. You can also use this oil as a daily application hair oil. For the shampoo, take half cup of plain water in a cup. Add a cup of liquid castile soap. Now add in half teaspoon of pure vegetable glycerin to it. Finally, add in 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. Now mix well. Castile soaps are soap bases made with olive oil as a base. They are safe for kids and completely free of harmful chemicals. Peppermint essential oil added to the shampoo is well known for promoting hair growth. Vegetable glycerin keeps the hair soft. This shampoo stores well for 2 to 3 months at room temperature. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.